Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and helpful tutorial, we're going to walk you through a simple yet incredibly useful feature on your iPhone: how to make the display text larger. This is especially beneficial for those with visual impairments or anyone who finds smaller text a strain on their eyes. With the latest iOS 18 update, accessing these larger accessibility sizes is easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open the Settings app. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Accessibility. Now, under the Vision section, you'll see an option called Display and Text Size. Go ahead and tap on that. In the Display and Text Size menu, you'll find various options related to how text and other elements appear on your screen. Look for and tap on Larger Text. On this screen, you'll see a toggle labeled Larger Accessibility Sizes. Tap the switch next to it to turn this feature on. You'll notice the text above the slider will likely get larger when you enable this. Now, at the bottom of this same menu, you'll see a slider. This is what controls the size of your display text. To make the text larger, simply drag the slider to the right until you reach your preferred size. You'll see the text above the slider change in real time, giving you a preview. Conversely, if you ever want to make the text smaller again, just drag the slider to the left. And that's all there is to it. We hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful smartphone tips and tutorials. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or other accessibility features you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.